In this video, we're covering FastTrack Ukulele, Lesson 1 out of this book right here. In Lesson 1, we cover notes A, B, and C. So that's going to be open A, then second finger, second fret for B, third fret, third finger for C. So the only three notes is A, B, C. With this hand, we don't want to play flat fingered, we want to play on the fingertips. And with this hand and arm, we just want to kind of cradle the ukulele up high. I'm not using my last two fingers, so I'm just kind of holding the ukulele like that. And my thumb is resting, my middle finger is resting. My index finger is the one doing the plucking, just like that. So I'm just plucking in upward motion. I have my metronome at 70 beats per minute. Before you actually try any of the songs in the book, you can see as I started putting the letter names of the notes over there, that's the best way to learn any of these songs, and I guarantee you will learn the songs much faster that way. I'm just going to demonstrate the song ABC for you on page 9, and it goes like this. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's all there is to it. All three of the songs on that page and in lesson 1 only use the notes A, B, and C. So go ahead and try them on your own now.